Civil procedure encompasses the rules and standards that courts follow when adjudicating civil lawsuits. The California Code of Civil Procedure, CCP, serves as the primary legal framework, supplemented by local rules and judicial interpretations. One of the first considerations in any civil case is determining the appropriate jurisdiction and venue. California courts have subject matter jurisdiction over various types of civil cases, including contract disputes, personal injury claims, and property issues. The choice of venue, or the specific location where the case is heard, is determined by factors such as the residence of the parties and the location where the cause of action arose. The civil litigation process begins with the filing of a complaint by the plaintiff, which outlines the claims against the defendant. The defendant must then respond with an answer, addressing each allegation and potentially raising defenses or counterclaims. Key pretrial procedures include 1. Demurrers and motions to strike. These are used to challenge the legal sufficiency of the complaint or specific parts of it. 2. Discovery. This phase involves the exchange of information between the parties. Tools such as interrogatories, depositions, and requests for production of documents are utilized to gather evidence. 3. Motions for summary judgment. Parties may file these motions to resolve the case without a trial if there are no material factual disputes. If a case proceeds to trial, it can be heard by a judge, bench trial, or a jury. The trial process in California includes several stages. 1. Jury selection. If a jury trial is requested, the process of voir dire is used to select impartial jurors. 2. Opening statements. Both sides present an overview of their case to the judge or jury. 3. Presentation of evidence. Witnesses are called, and evidence is presented by both parties. 4. Closing arguments. Each side summarizes their case, emphasizing key evidence and arguments. 5. Deliberation and verdict. In a jury trial, the jury deliberates and reaches a verdict. In a bench trial, the judge renders a decision. Following the trial, several post-trial motions may be filed, such as motions for a new trial or motions for judgment notwithstanding the verdict, JNOV. These motions can challenge the trial's outcome based on alleged procedural errors or insufficient evidence. Parties dissatisfied with the trial court's decision may seek an appeal. The California Court of Appeal reviews the trial court's proceedings for legal errors. Appeals are typically based on the contention that the trial court misinterpreted or misapplied the law. Once a judgment is obtained, the prevailing party must enforce it. This may involve wage garnishments, liens on property, or other legal mechanisms to collect the awarded damages. California's civil procedure has several unique aspects that distinguish it from other jurisdictions. 1. The right to a jury trial. California constitutionally guarantees the right to a jury trial in civil cases, which is not universally available in all states. 2. Complex case management. California courts often employ case management techniques for complex litigation, involving multiple parties or intricate legal issues. 3. Anti-SLAPP motions. Strategic lawsuits against public participation, SLAPP, are addressed through special motions to strike, protecting defendants from meritless lawsuits aimed at silencing their free speech.